Progress is not standing. Listen on the shoulder, son.
These guys are hard at work.
Begin with my left.
So what's the game plan, Dad?
Oh, go down another shovel length, and then comb it off, then dig out the excess again and pull with the truck.
Okay. Today I turned 30 and I am transplanting trees. As is the tradition. That's the tradition. Next year you'll be helping deliver goats. You doing? It doesn't look that deep up there, but it's about this deep. It's actually deeper than it looks. Yeah.
Usually where it gets thinner.
Yeah. Okay, let's check on Terry's progress. Smells good, Mom. Smells good as always.
We got a lot of potatoes.
Oh, nice. Oh, that looks good. Smells good. Oh, that looks really good. What's in that?
Potatoes.
I know what you're eating. Oh. Hey, that is cool.
Tanya should bang on it.
A pinata.
That is cool. Cool.
A lonely bull.
Lonely bull. As we play the lonely bull, we're gonna destroy this thing, me and Tanya. Right, Tanya?
Yep.
We're gonna destroy this thing.
Hit each other.
This is cool. Thank you, guys. This is nice. This is awesome. This is from you, Robbie?
Yeah.
Thank you, Robbie. I kind of don't want to hit it.
I gave you my gift.
You think it'll be strong enough?
Yeah, I think so. Tiny. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, you guys.
Happy birthday, Tanya.
Should we play Scrabble?
Yes.
And then just
With
put the letters all over the place.
And then we'll do 33 pieces for Tanya.
already planning on winning.
Wait, let me move over. Right there? Yeah. I'll just drop it down. Alright. Okay.
Oh yeah, we need blindfolds, huh?
Yeah, we need blindfolds.
Whatever.
Try, I'll give you guys $1 if you can knock off one of the horns.
Just $1?
I'll give you $2.
Are you giving it a try, Lissa? Hello, Lissa. How are you? I want to zoom in on your eyebrow.
Monday, 3:30. Plano, Texas.
Plano.
Ooh.
Bang the sacrificial drum.
What the?
Don't hit me. No, you're surrounded. I'm not a cow.
Like
Mr. Miyagi.
Here, Alyssa, come here. Stand right here.
Wait, man. Is it too tight?
Tanya starts swinging.
That's too big. She can easily hit it.
No, it'll be. No, she won't. We're here to watch the slaughter.
How old are you? 33? We're going to turn you around 33.
You have to hit 33 times.
Okay.
No, you have to turn around 33 times.
Okay. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. Okay, then.
There you go now. Swing away.
Away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ow.
Give it a good whack, a really good one. Make it a really good one. Really good, really good.
8.
Oh!
$2.
Oh! Oh!
Am I done?
No. Okay, your turn, Terry.
Look at what you did, Tanya. I see some damage to the leg. A torn ligament.
Hit hard. You're just.
Okay. Now.
Oh,
Which way? I'm just kidding. No. Okay.
Oh, this is hard. Okay.
Watch out, Mary.
I'm listening for sound.
Watch out, Rob. Okay, alright.
There's nobody around me, right?
Nobody's around you. Alyssa! Ow! 2, 3. Airball! Air swing! Air swing! Okay, alright, stop. What? Okay, we'll move you just a bit closer. There you go.
Okay, nobody's around, right?
Okay, nobody. 8! No! No! Move! Okay, Alyssa, come. 16. I can't move him any closer. Or else the bull will be hitting him. He's gonna touch the bull.
Right above your head, swing your feet up and down.
That's right.
Tanya had a better chance and she wasn't as close.
Ow! Ow!
There you go.
Starburst! One candy, Terry.
That was hard. You want to see what yours was like, Terry? It was all like.
Now what's like? Oh, there, Melissa.
Oh, nice.
Right in the ribs.
You got the ribs. Oh, you got the nose.
I was gonna feel that one.
Oh, she knocked down the horn. She gets $1.
When we butcher, you're only eating what you're hitting. Slip, are you eating the horn?
Ooh, that's gonna leave a mark.
You're not eating. Okay, can you see, Mom? No, you're
Nope.
not supposed to see.
Hit my fingers.
Is that good? Some more?
Right there.
She's feeling more.
Alright, go ahead. Now hit away.
Right
Oh, that's a good one.
there. She's close, Mary.
Oh, she's fine.
Right there.
Oh.
No, you're fine. Keep going.
Right there.
Oh.
Oh, another candy.
Some more. Right there. Oh!
Oh, she got the horn. Keep going.
Watch out, Alyssa. Wait till she's done. Another horn.
Oh. Oh.
That's called a
I know, I don't like it with that.
right. Look at Mary, to your right. To your right.
There you go.
Now.
Oh.
A little bit lower, Mary. A little bit lower.
Oh.
Right in the mouth.
Right in.
Now.
Alyssa, you're not in front of me?
Watch out, Alyssa. Okay, Rob. Right there. Good one.
Oh, it was a good one. Oh. Oh, that's what it's. Oh.
There he goes.
Okay.
Oh, man.
What was that? Look at that.
I know it. I don't think it.
Take a picture.
I'm sorry, Alyssa.
Let me take a picture of you guys.
All right, let me put on.
Let it